November 6th, 2020. The cryptocurrency market appears to be on a tear. It seems like the bull cycle is kicking off. In this video, I want to take a quick look at what it takes to buy your first cryptocurrency here in 2020. Hey, what's up everybody? Thanks for stopping by the channel to consume some content. Appreciate your time. We'll try to make this quick so that you can continue on your merry way. As I said in the introduction, I'm going to take you through a process that will show you how you can go about buying your first bit of cryptocurrency. Now I'm going to bring up a scene here. I'm going to show my browser, and in this case I'm using Firefox. What I want to do is I want to add an extension to my Firefox browser. Now this will work in not only Firefox, you can do this in Chrome, you can do this in Opera, you can do this in Brave, pretty much any browser that supports Chrome extensions. You should be able to follow this process to do what I'm about to show you. Even Microsoft Edge now is based on the Chromium foundation. So I'm going to go to the menu here in Firefox, and I'm going to go to add-ons. What I want to do now is search for an add-on called MetaMask. That's going to hopefully be the first option presented to me, and I'm going to click on it, and I'm simply going to add MetaMask to Firefox. Right? We'll go ahead and approve that, say add, and I am given some instructions here in Firefox that I can, letting me know that I can manage my add-ons, etc. You've probably seen that already. So I'm going to click on the Get Started button, and in this case I'm going to say yes, I am new to MetaMask. In this video I'm assuming you haven't bought any cryptocurrency ever in your life, and so we're doing that for the first time. We're going to create a wallet, and you can determine whether or not you want to help them improve. I'm going to agree, and I will create my own password. All right, and I've read the terms of use. I did it really quickly. You just didn't see it. I'm not going to save that password. You should never be saving that password in your browser. And for your purposes, make sure that no one is looking over your shoulder or in the same room as you. You should go ahead and reveal your secret words and follow the guidance here to copy them down, keep them in a safe place, all that good stuff. For the purposes of this video, I'm just going to skip this and say remind me later. All right, and you're going to get a little introduction here as to what MetaMask can help you do. You should take some time and read through this. Very, very beneficial, and will help you navigate the space down the road. I'll simply go ahead and say start swapping, cancel that. And so now we have the MetaMask extension provisioned in our Firefox browser, your browser of choice, and we can begin to make some things happen. And so this video is all about how to buy your first cryptocurrency. Let me take you through the motions of how you do that. So I'm going to click on my wallet here. Actually, this has changed a little bit. I'm going to click on the buy button. So I'm going to say buy, And if you already have an Ethereum wallet somewhere where you're holding crypto, you want to move some over here, you could choose this first option, no problem. Again, we're assuming we haven't ever done this before. And so you'll notice you have a couple of options, additional options here in the dialog. I'm going to use Wire as the example in the video, as I have personally used that before. Notice Wire is going to let you use your debit card to deposit ETH right into your MetaMask account. So if you say continue to Wire, it's going to open a new tab, take you over to Wire. You will enter the amount of money, the amount of US dollars, or maybe I should say the amount of fiat currency that you want to spend to buy Ethereum. Let's say I wanted to spend $500. That would get me 1.1, 500 US dollars would get me 1.1 ETH, a little bit over that. You notice, in order to do this, in addition to buying the Ethereum, which current price is $453.83, there's going to be a transaction fee charged to you by Wire, as well as an Ethereum network fee. So for that one Ethereum, you're going to end up paying, in this example, $520.75. You go ahead and say you authorize Wire to do this. You go next, and then they're going to ask you for your payment information, your card info, your billing address, etc., etc. Once you fill in this information, you click submit, payment gets processed, you'll end up with your Ethereum in your MetaMask wallet. Very straightforward. MetaMask gives you control of your private keys. You own the crypto. It's not sitting on an exchange anywhere. Very safe, as long as you safeguard those secret words that I talked about earlier in the video, where they say, hey, reveal these and copy them down, keep them in a safe place. As long as you have that information, you have access to your cryptocurrency. Don't let that information get into the hands of anyone else, because if you do, then they have access to your cryptocurrency. And so that's it. That's all it takes to purchase and own your first bit of cryptocurrency. And in this case, that would be the Ethereum token. Come back to the channel soon and take a look at the newest release of the video centered around buying Bitcoin. Until then, take care, be safe, and you will see me in the next one.